In this video, I'm going to show you how to change cleaning fee on Vrbo. For that, you need to log into the website vrbo.com, and this is how the website should look like. You can click on your name here and then you will see owner dashboard. Sometimes it automatically takes you to owner dashboard depending on what you've been doing the last time you were on the website. Click on owner dashboard and that will take you to your hosting dashboard where you can see your listing. Let's say this is the property you want to change the cleaning fee for. Just click on the property, and then when the next screen has loaded, just click on calendar icon, which is the third icon on the left. And once your calendar has loaded, click on settings here on the top and then choose fees. And this is where you will see your cleaning fee, which has been mentioned. You can alter it. You can change the amount. If you want to charge it per stay or per night, you can change that. You can also include a pet cleaning fee if you want to charge. And again, you can charge it per stay or per night. You can also add additional guest fee. If you want to charge extra after a certain amount of guests, you can add that additional field here. Let's say if you want to charge $50 extra for every guest who comes after 2, you can mention that here. And towards the bottom, you can also add custom fee. This is where you can add different kinds of fees like air conditioning fee, electricity fee, heating fee, and all those parking charges and linen fee if you want to. But this is how you can change your cleaning fee on Vrbo listing. I hope you found this video useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. And if you want me to make a video about something specific, please mention it to me in the comments and I will certainly make a video for you.